Welcome back to Iron Slug's Garage, and today we're getting brake lights. So I got my book here. I'm gonna find which light goes from the pedal and hopefully get rid of the light control module. Find which wire goes from your brake switch and can send the power to the brake lights. That's the plan. So I got the brake switch and stop, turn, hazard, whatever, light green and red. Probably this big one here, which I think it might run through the fuse box. See, I don't have my test light to check things. I'm gonna be jumping wires here. And what do you know? I've had it cut this whole time. See what happens here. Okay, so right now, my brake switch wiring from my extra fuse box is now tapped into the green and red wire off the brake switch, which according to my diagram sends it to the taillights. Alright, run on back there, let me know what you see. Well, were they working? Alright, well, just like you pointed out, the brake lights do not work. So this time I think I'm actually going to go into the green and red wire off the brake switch, tap into that, and see what happens from there. Yeah, that little beauty right here, fuse box, and I got a little nub of a wire that's coming out of my the light control module fuse, and I hope that'll trigger the brake switch to tell the brake lights that the pedal's on. Okay. Okay, we got that twisted in. What in the world? What do we got here? Yeah, we're not there yet. Ignore what you just saw. Okay. Okay. Got a job for you guys. I'm gonna press the brake pedal. You go back and let me know if my brake lights are working. Alright, probably getting tired of helping me out. Let's go one more time. Get back there. A minute.
Isn't it recording?
Is the red light flashing?
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording.
Okay, we are gonna play school. And Dad is working on my truck.
On your truck?
Yep. And then my buggy. Okay, this is a school truck, and there's that cool hat. Slimy bit. Good night, everyone. Fire truck! I saw the fire truck pass by.
Oh, so cool.
It's the one from our car show. It's the one that has,
Okay, where's the camera? Lights and I don't know, I got my brake switch wiring here, and I guess I'm just trying to figure out which one of these wires will turn on my brake lights when the brake pedal is pressed. I don't have a light control module anymore. I don't think that matters. Hope it doesn't matter because I don't have it. I'm not putting one back in. So here's the theory here. Use the nifty test light here and see which wire gets active when I press the brakes. That should work anyways, right? Alright, let's get some power. Let's undo this, undo this. Okay. And everything is painted. I don't have a good ground anymore. I'm gonna check my brake light fuse. Okay, trying out something else. Go back there and see if it works.
But I grabbed it for me from my phone. Hey!
Oh, here you go. Let me know if that turns on. Whoa.
It turns on.
I have no footage, but this white wire up here was cut, and that was part of my brake light wiring, and that completes the circuit. So now let's see. We'll get back to this bad boy soon. Push it. And we got brake lights. Hard to tell, it's really bright, but there's a brake light in there. Both sides.